Hi everyone! Today we are going to do a walkthrough of SaberX, a VR rhythm game inspired by Beat Saber and Guitar Hero.
So just as our previous demo, we are going to be taking a look at all the features available within the game. So we're going to be doing that by taking a look at what each of these panels do, starting with the tutorial to get a basic understanding of all the objects you're going to be interacting with, what each interaction does, and what the rules are. So let's begin. So each player has two sabers, one on each hand, and he can use the buttons X, Y, and A, B on the controllers to change the color of the saber. So one of the objectives is for the player to change the color of the saber that matches the target's color and slice it. So I'm going to have a blue saber to slice the blue object, and then I'm going to switch to the green saber to hit the green object, and so on. So our current version supports two obstacles and a pickup, and the first obstacle is the iceberg obstacle. So slicing this obstacle freezes your saber for 5 seconds and preventing you from switching colors. And the second obstacle is the mine. So slicing this destroys all nearby objects and also reduces your lives by 5. And the final pickup is the start pickup. So slicing this gives you a multicolored saber. So you can slice any colored object and not have to worry about obstacles. So let's take a look at the settings panel now. So we provided the players the option to change the sounds and colors. So sounds is where you adjust the volume of your sound effects and your background music. And the colors panel is where you customize and modify the color of each of your sabers and objects to your liking. So the reason we worked on this panel is to offer players the customizability as well as to address concerns with color blindness. So if I want to change the color of the blue object, I just have to choose right weapon color 1, choose the color I want to switch it to, click save, and the color gets updated. Similarly, you can do it for all the other objects. So now let's head back to the main menu and look at the main game.
Let's first talk a little bit more about game mechanics and logics. The game analyzes layered music to spawn objects, and each saber represents an instrument. Slicing objects with the correct colored saber will play the beat of that instrument. Missing the object or slicing with incorrect saber will not play the beat of the layer. In the game, the left front wall shows the score and combo multiplier you currently have. Consecutive successful slice will increase combo multiplier and it goes to a max of 10. The right front wall displays your current lives. You have 25 lives to start with. Every time you miss an object, life goes down by 1. And remember, wrongly slicing a mine could cost 5 lives off. Now let's start the game.
So upon clicking the start menu, we'll be given the option to choose between 3 difficulties, easy, medium, and hard. And as you can see, the harder levels are currently locked, and the way you can unlock them is by completing the lower levels first. So let me quickly finish up easy and medium so that I can unlock hard and show you an actual footage of the gameplay. Okay, now that we've unlocked the hardest difficulty, let's head straight into the gameplay.
Currently, we have different scenes for 3 different levels, and we're going to show the gameplay in the hard level. In this case, your right hand represents a drum and your left hand represents a piano. As you can see, the left and the right wall in front of you shows your game data. Now your left saber can slice any cube without changing its color. The color of your right saber can no longer be changed, and the 5 seconds countdown is on the right side. Oops! Objects within a certain radius have been destroyed, and you lose 5 lives. Also, slicing the cube with the wrong color saber would break the combo, and you can no longer hear the instruments represented by your sabers, except the background layer. So that is our prototype for SaberX. Thanks for watching.